Alrighty, so this example is going to quickly remind ourselves of combinatorics, or combinations, where we have NCR to work out different things. Remember, n items, choosing R of those n items. So, a box contains 10 items, of which 4 are defective. A sample of 2 items is selected at random from the box. The random variable y represents the number of defective items selected. Determine the expected number of defective items. So, how many different outcomes are there? Well, I've got 10 items and I'm choosing 2 of them. And 10C2 is equal to 45. Reminder, I'm just using my calculator to work out the combinations. Alrighty, so now I need to work out what are the different combinations. Well, there are 10 items in total, and they can be split into 2 groups, 6 and 4. So, to work out, what if we got none of the bad ones. So let's think about 0 defective. Well, that means of the 6 good ones, we chose 2 of them, and of the 4 bad ones, we chose none of them. And so that's just 6 choose 2 times 4 choose 0, which is 15 times 1, or just 15. What if we got 1 defective? Well, that would be 6 getting 1 of them times 4 getting 1 of them, which is just 6 times 4, which is 24. And then we've got the last option, which is we get 2 defective. Right? Well, that means of the 6, we're choosing none of them, and of the 4 of them, we're choosing 2 of them. So 6 choose none, 4 choose 2, and 6 choose 0 is 1 times 6. 4 choose 2 is 6, and so we get 1 times 6 is 6. Alrighty, so now that we know how many outcomes we have, and you can double check by adding that all 3 of these add up to 45, which they do, now I can write this as a distribution table. So let's have X be the number of defectives and let's put in our different probabilities we worked out. So this is the probability of X. So we either get 0, 1, or 2. And so we've got 15 out of 45 chance of getting 0. We've got a 24 out of 45 chance of getting 1. And we've got a 6 out of 45 chance of getting none. Now, all of these have a common factor of 3 at least. So this becomes, in this case, this one just becomes a third. 24 over 45 can be simplified 8 on 15. And the last one can be simplified into 2 on 15. Alrighty, and the final part of this is to now calculate the expected value, which is E of X. And in this case, we're going to get 0 times a third plus 1 times 8/15 plus 2 times 2/15, which is 8/15 plus 4/15, which is 12/15. So you would expect to get 2/15 of a defective item. That's the expected value of X, 12/15. So that would be 4/5 of 1. Alrighty. So hopefully that kind of gives you an idea of some different ways we can actually calculate expected values of different events happening. Alrighty. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.